and thank you so much for taking the time to watch a demo with us on Style to Design. My name is Heather Kane. I am the creator and founder of Kane Luxury Team and also this platform. Our goal is to help you increase your revenue and also win incredible opportunities in your business. By using Style to Design, I have sold over $2 billion in real estate, and I'm excited to share with you exactly how we've done that. The most important thing that we have to do in real estate is we have to be different. How do we stand out from the competition so that we win across the board? Some important statistics that you should know is 81% of buyers have zero vision. They cannot see past what's in front of them. Even though you try to explain it, they can't see it. This is why I went on a mission to sell real estate with design services included. I'm going to show you how it works. It's important too for you to understand that for every dollar you invest in staging and design services, you can get $15 in return. So what we did is we created a platform where our members can help every homeowner across the country create the vision and see the full potential in every home. We have a platform, we have access to over 750 design boards of all price points and styles. But let me show you what a design board is. This is where we source all of the product you need to completely furnish a space, and everything you see in this room has a click to purchase solution. We do the exact same thing for renovations. So whether you're renovating a kitchen, bathrooms, or exteriors, we're providing all of the product that you need to completely transform that space. So let me give you an example. So say you have a vacant home. You can actually select one of our design boards where all of our product is click to purchase, and we can simulate exactly what that would look like into your home. This is how you're able to sell real estate with design services included. This is not virtual staging. Virtual staging is cyberspace 3D modular furniture that you cannot bring to life. We are simulating real life furniture. Now, if this room also had furniture in it, no problem. We can remove that furniture from our technology and simulate this design board into your property. Now, we do it for kitchens, bathrooms, and exteriors. So even if we need to take out the soffit here, change out the lighting, and increase the cabinet height, we can do it all for you. If we're needing to remove a wall, our technology can do all of that for you, and we communicate directly with you as an agent of exactly what you're needing. We can even do it off of 2x4s, 3D renderings, CAD drawings. We can make sure you help all of your homeowners create that vision. So this is an example of a spec house. You know, it is a home that's all the way down to the 2x4s. You select a design board and we simulate exactly what it would look like. The best part about it is all of those links that we show you there, they're called affiliate links, where you can earn up to 30% cash back on those products. So let me show you an example. This is one of our members here. She's been with us for many years. She implemented style design in her business, and she has increased her listing percentage commission dramatically. So you're probably wondering, what's the price, right? So let me show you how our dashboard works. Our first membership is $19.99 a month. In that membership, you get access to all of our reality staging and reality renovation tools. In there, you also get access to our Kickstart training program. In this Kickstart training program, you're going to see that we break it down for you week by week by also giving you task lists of everything you need to do, and also all of the marketing collateral that goes along with it. So for $19.99, you can then sell real estate with design services included and have all of the tools that you need to execute at a high level. Now, if you're wanting to take your business to a whole new level, you can actually unlock our entire dashboard where you can get access to our full design center. In our full design center is where you're going to get access to all of those 750 boards of all price points and styles. We teach and train you how to do this and how to execute at a high level and build out incredible revenue streams into your business. Through there, you also get access to an intense, incredible training series on how you're going to take this and catapult your business to that next level, and also create phenomenal revenue streams. So we have two different memberships. We have the $19.99, and then we also have the $49.99. So if you're saying, hey, I just want to get started and kind of see how this goes, you can start off with our $19.99 and always upgrade to the $49 membership at any time. But if you're saying, Heather, I want to get all in, I'm ready to take my business to the next level and build out incredible revenue streams, you can go ahead and start at the $49.99. When you're in the checkout, you're going to notice that we're going to ask you about a white label site. We have taken our platform and we've white labeled it to your brand. This is an additional $35 add-on, but this is a great opportunity that you can now advertise in your business and have a website that actually can funnel all of your leads to in your database about how you sell real estate now with design services included. In there, they get access to the design center where they can search by style and everything. And then through the Work With Us page, this is where you're going to have your bio and everything about you, so that way you can really shine within your database. So just to give you a little bit more information, you'll see here, this is an image that one of our clients sent over to us. And this is exactly what it would look like, where everything you see here has that click to purchase solution. Pretty incredible, right? So that is considered a stage. But let's go ahead and go to a renovation. This right here is the before, right? And this is what it would look like after. Can you imagine if you could now be the visionary for every single person in your database? Wouldn't that be incredible? So what I encourage you guys right now is I'm going to actually show you on our website. You go to stylettodesign.com. You're going to go to this pricing section right here. These are our two different memberships. You have the launch and you have the elevate. What we would love to do is have you get started. Let us be your partner. And when you say you have your own in-house staging and design team, you are leveraging Style to Design to be just that for you. Who is ready to get started and start selling real estate with design services included? We'd love to partner with you, and we're ready to help you take your business to the next level.